Welcome back to One More Guru. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Blackbox AI, a smart tool designed to help programmers write, optimize, and understand code faster. Blackbox AI acts like a coding assistant that can understand natural language instructions and turn them into working code snippets in multiple programming languages. It's especially useful for developers who want to speed up coding, debug tricky logic, or learn new techniques, all while staying in a familiar code editor like VS Code. To get started, open your preferred browser and search for Blackbox AI. Go to the official website, then click Get Started Now or the Home button. From there, create a free account by entering your email and setting a password. If prompted, verify your email through Gmail. You can also install the Blackbox AI extension for your editor. Just search for it online and follow the installation steps. Once it's active, you can start typing natural language prompts describing the code you need. For example, create a function to calculate the Fibonacci sequence, and Blackbox AI will generate the corresponding snippet. You can also provide your existing code for optimization, debugging, or explanations. Blackbox AI can help refactor functions, generate unit tests, or simplify complex code blocks into easy-to-understand steps. Always review and test the generated code to make sure it works as expected. That's basically how you can use Blackbox AI to improve your coding workflow. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to One More Guru for more practical, step-by-step tech guides.